How to freeze and unfreeze your Chime card app. Hi everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to freeze and unfreeze your Chime card using the Chime mobile app. This feature is super useful if you misplace your card or want to temporarily stop transactions for security. First, open the Chime mobile app on your phone and log in with your account credentials. Next, tap on the settings icon. You'll find it at the bottom or in the side menu, depending on your app version. Now, look for the option labeled Allow Transactions. Toggle the switch off to instantly freeze your card. This will prevent any new purchases or withdrawals. When you're ready to use your card again, simply toggle the Allow Transaction switch back on. Your card will be active immediately and you can continue using it as usual. And that is it. Freezing and unfreezing your Chime card is quick and easy, giving you more control and peace of mind over your account security.